Hey everybody, I'm going to answer some questions about 6.2, and this is the first video on that. And it talks about how we deal with finding z-scores. And if we didn't have SALT, there's a harder way to do it. But the great thing about SALT is it kind of makes it easier. And I know you can see the answers, and that's fine, but I want to show you how you get this. Okay, so I have a normal distribution where the mean is 28 and the standard deviation is 5. All right, just for a quick thing, remember normal distribution talks about that bell-shaped curve, and we actually find that a lot when we study populations and statistics. We find it with heights and weights. There's a lot of things you'd be surprised that when you get a huge population, it follows that bell-shaped curve or that normal distribution. So I'm talking about having a normal distribution where the mean is 28 and the standard deviation is 5. And it says find the z-score corresponding to x equals 23. Okay, I'm going to use SALT. Okay, and I've got normal distribution here. Remember, my mean was 28. Let me make sure. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Oops, sorry. Where did it go? Oh, sorry. 28, and my standard deviation is 5. Okay, I'm going to say it's normal distribution. And now I want to find where my z-score is 23. Okay, I'm going to go down here and put, oh, sorry, I'm going to put it here, 23. Okay, so I'm finding it here. And if you go, let me move this thing, apologize. All right, so you see, here's my normal shape curve, that bell-shaped curve. 28 is in the middle, which means if I put a line right here in the middle, 50% of the data is here, 50% of the data is here, okay? I wanted to know what let me go back and show you, find the z-score corresponding to x equals 23. Okay, so what that means is I can take, if a data set is normally distributed, I can use that formula or the z-score and find out where it falls from the mean. It's a standardization thing. If you don't get it exactly, that's okay. You can do it to compare like two tests or two classes and two tests. Like if I wanted to see if your class did better on the midterm than the other class I teach on the midterm, I could do this and compare it by standard deviations this way. Okay, so I've gone on. I'm really sorry. So I'm looking at it 23, and if I look, and it has down here x and z, the z-score is negative 1.0. Okay, let's do another one. It wants to know if the z-score equals 39. Okay. Oh, sorry. Eventually I'll understand this. 39. I do it. Yep. So if I go here and look at 39, it's 2.2. So 2.2 goes there. Let's do one more. Negative 3. Oh, excuse me. If it says give me the raw score where the z compares to negative 3. So I'm going to go here, put my negative 3 in. Oh, come on, give me negative 3. Okay. Oh, look. Okay, I put it in, and then it shows me it's going to be 13. It did it for me. So I can do it backwards and forwards. So I did that, and it gives me 13. And let's do that last one, 1.7. So 1.7. 1.7. So then that means if I go look up here, 36.5, 36.5. Okay. If you have a calculator, you can Google to find it. I think this is so much easier. Okay. So this is how I find z-scores using SALT. Hope this helped.